good morning and welcome back to another day in Koh Chang. And I have to admit, it is absolutely fantastic to be back. And this morning, it's no different to any other morning. We are going out with the dogs. We're going to go to Kai Bay waterfall, even though it's dry season. And we're going to see what it's like during dry season. So, without further ado, let's get to this. We've got a busy day today. As you can tell, I'm pasty white and not used to the sun just yet, so let's see how we get on. Guys, so we have just had our breakfast. So I've seen the monkeys, I heard the hornbills, got all the fishes down here. Anyway, that's it, breakfast done. As soon as I sat up, the dogs have ran off, so I'm guessing they're on their way back as well. Just in case anyone wants to know, mango. I'm not sure why it says mango, because this is Kai Bay waterfall, but yeah, mango. If that's anything to do with it and it helps you, there you go. I just know it as Kai Bay waterfall. It's at the back of my house and it's pretty tricky to actually find it if you don't know how to find it. You have to head towards the Mount coffee shop. There you go. Right, until next time, Kai Bay waterfall. Come back when there's some water in it again, eh? Right, let's go. I can hear the dogs, they're not far. And just for reference, yes, these are really this big. They are called elephant's ear. If you look at this, that is ridiculous, isn't it? That's not a wide angle that's doing that. It is that big. Elephant's ear. Amazing stuff. Stuff does grow exceptionally good out here. I mean, this must be 12 foot tall, and there's so much of it. Actually flowers, it's about to flower. This is a flower here. It's not actually flowered just yet. And then you see how on this one, it's got lots and lots and lots of flowers ready to come. Because the new leaves actually come from the same place like this, but a little bit different. Massive elephants here. Alright guys, so we have had some food, we've had a shower, as when you've been in the jungle you definitely feel like you're just covered in creepy crawlies. And well, basically we've got all of this to sort out. Got all the leaves to clear up, and we've got a little bit of work to do on the orange tree, and some of these dead bushes need taking out. I mean, it's so different compared to rainy season. If you're wondering where Gifty is, she's actually working a double shift today, 16 hours, how about that? So I thought I'd take the day to clear the back garden for her. And if you look at this area, it needs all raking, composting and seed putting down. But first of all, what we're going to do actually is I want to get her involved with a little bit of a cooking video. So what better place to set up than right there, have that as the backdrop, get a couple of cooking videos done. Can't do it on my own. Need her. It's going to be, what, Thai treats or something. Oh no, it can't be that. What can it be? What can it be? Thai treats? No, no, no. Tommy's Thai treats. Anyway, we'll think about that while we're doing this. If anyone wants to know any proper Thai recipes, let me know. Got a few planned. Got some proper ones planned. Alright, ciao for now. Alright guys, so if you're wondering why there was such harsh pruning going on there, especially with the orange tree, well, it has been left to run wild for the last 2 years probably. The second sprout that was coming off the side, apparently that'll never ever produce fruit. And then all this, that was just Snake City. The one reason why we keep it clear, all this needs to go yet as well, is because that is the jungle. And even though it's known as Hornbill Valley here, it's Snake Land, definitely. We have to go and get Sam from school, little Sam, because Gifty's on double duty today. I'm looking after him, so yeah, time to get on the bike, go and get him from school. And then with it just being me and him tonight, I'm not sure how much filming there will be going on tonight, so might be calling it there for today, and we'll see what Gifty's doing tomorrow. See you in a bit.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out.
Alright guys, so we have just got back home. However, we forgot to pick up a couple of bits. So Gifty's going to fly straight back out again. And what are you getting?
Chopping board.
Chopping board and something to cover the table up.
Yeah.
Girly things. If you haven't guessed, we're going to be cooking in the back garden. And I need to sort out the back garden. So I'll crack on out here while she goes and does that. She's a good one like that. Right, that's the plan. Cooking in the back garden. Might need a bit of a clean up, eh? I'll sort the grass out after. That's our little platform, hopefully. Let's go. So Gifty has just got back from the shops, and what did you end up getting?
Chopping board and the table cover.
See, I would never have gone for this, but that's why there's a woman in the house, I guess. Right, we're going to use my table, so I'm going to have to clear all this out, get this over there, and get set up over there. Gifty's going to be prepping a little bit of food in the kitchen, so let's see how this goes on. We've never done anything like this, so wish us luck. Well, as you can see, always the best tooling and PPE on the workplace. And we've always got buddies on the workplace too. She just sat behind the camera though. Hello guys, and welcome back to WokToday. And what are we doing today?
So today we're going to make sweet and sour. I'm gonna keep it really simple because you can make it yourself at home. Hornbill.
Oh, beautiful. Wow, so we've even got the hornbills out here. Well, we've got a little Miss Somebody cooking sweet and sour. Check that out.